Good morning, student. Today we are discuss about knowing our numbers, chapter first of the class 6. So let's start. So first is introduction. Introduction. First point is knowing our knowing our numbers helps us in counting objects in large numbers and representing them through numerals. Second point is numbers helps in communicating through suitable number names and to count concrete objects. And the third point is they help us to say which collection of bigger and arrange them in order. Now we know about what is the place value chart and what is the place value. The place value chart and the place value in two types. First is Indian and second is international. First is Indian and second is international. So let's we start from Indian place value chart. In Indian place value chart started from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and etc. For example, we have take a value 9951,024 can be placed in place value chart as we started from ones. We started from right to left. So first is 4, we place in ones, then 2 place in the 10, and 0 place in hundreds, 1 place in thousand, 5 place in 10,000, 9 place in lakhs, and 9 place in 10 lakhs. So we count is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, and 10 lakhs. So its number become 99 lakhs 51,024. And second one is international system. International system change little bit change we see here. So started from ones, then tens, after that hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000s, then lakhs, and million, and 10 million. You know what is the difference between international and national place value chart? The main difference is million and 10 million. In the million and 10 million in Indian place value system, we use 10 lakhs and lakhs, 10 lakhs and lakhs. So in the international place value system, if you have any number, for example 96743,682 can be placed in place value chart, and in this system we are always started from right and move on left. So first is 2 place in the ones, next is 8 place in the tens, next is 6 place in the hundreds, next one is 4, next one is 3 place in 10,000, sorry, 1000, and next 4 place in 10,000, next 7 place in hundreds thousand, and next is 6 place in million, and after that 10 million. You can write each and every number very simple, started with the right hand side to go to the left. And in Indian and international system, these are the same but little bit changed. So you can see that it started from ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, and 10 lakhs. And in international system, it started from same one, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, million, and 10 million. Now come on the next point. Next point is comparison of number. Comparison of numbers. In there are given 2 or 3 numbers, and you are try to compare which number is greater and which number is smaller. So there are some rules. When you know about the rules, then easily you can find the smaller or bigger number. So in order to compare two numbers, we adopt the following rules. First rule is the number with less digit is less than the number with more digit. First rule is that if there are two numbers, if we count both number digit, if one digit is less, then this is the less digit. If the digit is the greater, so this number is greater. For example, if we take 1, 4, 5, and second one is 3, 6, 7, 8. So according first rule, with less digit is less than the number with more digit. So we count the digits. So first number have 1, 2, 3 digit, and the second one has 1, 2, 3, 4 digit. So you can see this is the 4, this is the 3. So which number is greater? 4 number is greater. Then this digit is greater than this digit. So first rule is that which digit have less number, so less digit, and other digit have more number, then greater digit. Now second rule is, suppose we have to compare two numbers having the same numbers of digit, then we proceed as under. Now suppose you have two digit like 2, 3, 4, and second is 6, 7, 0. You have two digit. Suppose we have compare two having two same numbers. If we count 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, both are having same numbers, then how can we say that which one is the greater and which one is the lower? So first step is, first compare the digit at the leftmost place in the both the numbers. Now you can see leftmost. In this digit 2 is the leftmost, and in this digit 6 is the leftmost. Now second rule is, if they are equal in value, then compare the second digit from the left. But in this equation, in these digit, you can see that 2 and 6, and 2 is the lower and 6 is the greater. So first compare the digit at the leftmost place in the both of number. If you see that 6 and 2, 6 is the greater and 2 is the lower, so 670 is the greater and 234 is lower digit. Now second rule is, if they are equal in value, then compare the second digit from the left. If suppose this is the also 6, so this is the 6 and this is the 6, both are the same. Now we can compare the second digit from the left. So this is the 3 and this is the 7. As you can see, 7 is the greater from 3, so this digit is greater. Third step, if the second digit from the left are equal, then compare the third digit from the left. And similarly, if the second digit are equal, then we compare the third digit, and similarly this process is continue and so on. Step 4, continue until you come across an equal digit. This process going on until you come across an equal digit at the corresponding place. Clearly the number with greater such digit is the greater of the two. So this is the two rules. Rule first is, the number with the less digit is less than the number with the more digit. And the second rule is, if we have two digit and we started from step first compare the digit. Next, if we are equal the leftmost digit, then we compare the second digit. If they are equal, then we compare the third digit, and this process is going on until you come across an equal digit. So here are some examples, solved examples you can see and you can do with you. First example, which is greater? So first we count numbers from both. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This digit have 8 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This digit have 7 number. Now you can see 8 is greater than 7, so this digit is greater than this digit. Next example is, which is smaller? This and this, which is smaller from this. Now we started from rule first. First we all count the numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is, there are 7 numbers in this digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this digit, 6 number. You can see 7 is greater than 6. And in this example, which is smaller? So 987965 is smaller. Next example, arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order and descending order, you can you study in class 5th what is the ascending and what is the descending order. Ascending order, now in there I will tell you what is the ascending order and descending order. If we arrange number in this manner, this is called ascending order. And if we arrange the numbers this manner. This is called descending order. So arrange the following in ascending order. How can you tell which is the lower and which is the greater? First we lower, then greater, then greater, then greater. You can put the numbers. First rules. What is the first rule? Count the numbers. Count the numbers. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This digit have 7 numbers. And second digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second digit have 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And third digit have 6 number, and last digit 3, 7, 9, 0, 4. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last digit have 7 number. And here are you see that this digit and this digit have the same numbers. So what can you do? You are compare the leftmost number. There is 3 and there is also 3. Both are equal. So we move on the next. This is 7 and this is 7. Both are equal. So we move the next one. This is the 6 and this is the 9. So this digit is greater than this digit. Now it's a 6 digit, so put in the first, and this is less than this digit, so put in this second, and third is 3, 7, and fourth one is 1, 9. This is the this is the ascending order. Now here the last example. Arrange the following in descending order. This is the ascending order. You can arrange the ascending order. And this question is for your homework. Do it from yourself, and if you have faced any problem, then comment and ask. I will resolve the problem. Okay, thank you.